More time, more money. 100 ways to gain more time and make more money. Have you grown tired and fed up slaving for 10 to 12 hours every single day, earning just a little over the minimum wage? Like many, you may feel like your desk has become more of a prison cell that has kept you all locked away from the rest of civilization. And still, you find yourself living from paycheck to paycheck. Time, they say, is money. If that's the case, this brings home the fact that some people are certainly making a whole lot more money in the same amount of time you are willing to put in, or even at a considerably far lesser time. By now, you have probably deduced the fact that there has got to be a better way to play the money-making game. Yes. In fact, there are 100 different better ways to play the game. It is possible to earn more by working less. You've seen other people do it. It's time to write your own success story and make it happen in your life. While increasing your productivity will give you twice as much return, discovering a far better way to play the game will possibly bring you 20 times or more return. But the question is, how do you exactly do that? How do you get to the point where you spend lesser amount of time working and yet earning better? The secrets to earning more are actually all around you. You probably have next-door neighbors who are raking in a fortune doing things you never have even thought of. Time is money. It's about time you figure out how highly successful people spend their valuable time. 1. Learn the money-making potential of affiliate programs. This is one popular and very effective way to earn passive income, which is derived from setting up a website that pre-sells company products. In this setup, the company provides the products along with the programming code that tracks down sales, of which you will be given a commission for every successful sale. Find companies that are known to offer bigger commissions as well as track down clients who are highly likely to make multiple purchases over extended period of time, which will generate recurring commissions. 2. Create information products such as ebooks. The web provides a great way to create and sell an ebook that explains how to information, such as how to start your online business, or any other topic designed to provide information on how to make life easier for people. There is a huge demand of information, which is something you can capitalize on. The great thing with ebook is it's easier to create, which you can complete at a short amount time. Once done, you simply have to come up with a website, secure a web hosting service and set up your own online marketing in place. This will make it possible for your ebooks available for purchase 24 hours a day, for several years to come, with the possibility of earning income while you sleep. 3. Earn passive residual income through advertising commissions. If you own a website or you are planning to own one, work on attracting visitors or generating web traffic by providing relevant, original and fresh content to attract people to visit your sites. By allowing banner placements or links in your site at a certain fee, you can look forward to collecting passive residual income every month. 4. Become a reseller of web hosting services or domain registration. Offer web hosting service wherein you simply pay a monthly fee and resell the service at a certain subscription charge to your customers. However, if you are planning to engage in this type of service, it is important to be thoroughly familiar and knowledgeable with the web hosting service in order to provide prompt and reliable support to your customers. 5. Master the art of salary negotiation. During job interviews, instead of waiting for the salary conversation to be tackled, you can go right ahead and ask the interviewer, recruiter, the expected salary of the position you are applying for. This way you don't have to waste time going back and forth with negotiations since you already know the figures and can decide ahead of time if it's something viable enough for you to pursue your application.